Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to make a public profile on Snapchat. Before you can make your profile public, you first have to go public with your current profile. To do this, start by opening your account and click on your profile icon on the top left corner. Then click on the gear icon on the top right corner to access your settings. From here, scroll down to Additional Services. Make sure your settings under this section are set to what I have on the screen. For See Me in Quick Add, make sure to check the box or turn on the feature. For See My Location, make sure it's set to My Friends and not to Ghost Mode. Now you're ready to make a public profile. Go back to your profile page and select the Create Public Profile option under Public Profiles. Follow the steps to create your public profile, and that's how you make a public profile on Snapchat. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.